naman anak.
Sige, sige.
Nanggigigil ka eh. Nanggigigil. Baka maano natin. How's my baby? What did they do for the whole day? Huh? Did you drink your milk, anak? Huh? Did you drink your milk? No. Ay, you did naman drink your milk. Say hi to daddy, anak. Hi, daddy. Come on, come on. Ay, sino ka? Kasi nandito ka eh. Ito na, sige na. Drink your milk. Eh, water, anak. Mommy says so. Daniel will drink his water. You're very good boy. Always following mommy's order. No, don't box your bottle. Para matanggal anak mo.
Uy, naano siya.
Hindi, pinipilit niyang ilabas eh.
Baka ayaw na niya uminom. Sinisinok.
Kailangan niya kasi sinisinok siya. Anak, you remember the bird? The bird that I told you about? Flying in the sky. Wants to visit you every day. Come on. Anak, nagsisinok ka. Hindi ka nahirapan? Ha? Jesus, ano ko? Dito matutulog, Daddy, hanggang hindi mo na iyan. Daddy, put off the light na so baby Daniel can go to sleep na.